Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Hello, viewers. God bless you. Thank you so very much. Thanks for listening to us every time. Even when we say jargons, because of the love we have for still listening. Thanks for watching our movies all the time. We really say thanks to you guys. God bless. Yeah, my name is Ronke Oshodi, popularly known as Ronke Oshodi. Yeah, I'm saying a very big thank you to all Nigerians who are abroad. Everybody really tried. Everybody. To the people that gave out 1,500 naira, the people that saw it on my platform, and the people that saw it on some other platform, I'm saying a very big thank you to everybody. I won't say thank you to everybody without mentioning names because there are some names that I just have to mention. You understand? I'm going to say very big thank you to Mommy Esther Ajayi. Mommy Esther Ajayi really tried though. She put it upon herself and up till now, that Bukky is dead now. She doesn't know her. If Bukky is white or black, she doesn't know her. Bukky only sent messages to her. She gave her a lot of money. A lot of money. I don't want to disclose the amount because they are on social media. You understand what I'm saying? Mommy Esther Bukky Ajayi lágbára Olódùmarè gbogbo ọkọ tó bá tọrọ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run máa fún mi. Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè á dúró tì í. Some people are saying this, that, but the woman stood by Bukky. You understand? Even when she went to do her operation in the UK, she stood by her. She was talking to her. Even when she came to Nigeria, the woman really tried. She really tried. She really tried. I'm saying a very big thank you to the mommy and she for this. And I'm saying a very big thank you to Funke Akindele. Funke Akindele tried. Funke Akindele tried. She tried. We've been together on this tape for the past 6 years. Funke Akindele tried. She really tried. Go, she tried though. When I mean go, Funke Akindele tried. And to Mommy Olubori, she's in UK. When she's in UK, she went to meet her. You know, she took her to her church. She gave her money from her pocket. Her church donated for her and everybody. Thank you so very much. And to all my colleagues that I can't mention their names, you understand, because they are a lot. Huh? There are a lot of our colleagues that they spend 50, 20, 100 and stuff like that. Lot of them, they stood by her. Even if she's a very big star, you can't do more than what we did. You understand? I'm saying thank you to everybody. Ẹ ṣé o, lágbára Ọlọ́run irú àìsàn báyìí ò lè ṣe kankan nínú wa o. A máa tọwọ́ wa bàpò, a máa mówó jáde, ṣùgbọ́n bí tá a ti mú a mọ̀ Ọlọ́run Olódùmarè a máa pèsè fún wa sí i. I'm saying a very big thank you to everybody. We really tried, honestly. Everybody really tried because when she was going to the UK, I know that she has about 13 million naira. Ìyẹn mo ṣe máa sọ pé ojú ti owó. Because if someone could have 13 million naira when she was going to the UK and she has been spending money before that, and at 13 million naira, and when she got to the UK, Mommy Esther Ajayi took it upon herself, you understand, to do some certain things for her. Ojú ti owó. So I'm saying a very big thank you to everybody that contributed for her. Yeah, Bukky is late now. I do for 6 years, you understand, but she's late now. It's a cruising. You know, cancer is a very terrible sickness. You understand? Cancer. Cancer is very, very terrible. Even when you spend money, do this, do that, at the end of the day, if it's going to take your life, nobody can stop it. And she fought. She was a fighter. All the people that have been saying that had cancer, before they die, they will be thin like this. You understand? Even my sister had cancer some years ago. She died about 10 years. She died 7 years. About 8 years ago. She died about 8 years ago. She had cancer. So I have the money, the you understand? And Ogbeni. You understand? She was very thin before she died. But in Bukky's case, no, she was not like that. She was still bulky, you know, everything was still there and stuff like that. But ó kàn wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tínrín nígbà tó kú bóyá bí 1 week tó fẹ́ kú. So she was a fighter. She fought till death. She fought till death.